Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I have a watch that I just received from AliExpress. It is a sports watch that has um, quite a bit of interest as far as the color and the styling is concerned. I saw it online and I just kind of had to pick it up because I wanted to check it out. And uh, see what it had to offer. It is, I kind of have a little bit of mixed feelings about it, and um, what really there's something that really bothers me about it, and then there's other things that I just absolutely love about it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to show you guys what I like, show you guys what I hate, and I'll actually post a link in the description below so you guys can actually check this watch out for yourself. Um, this watch is by a company called, and I don't know if I'm going to spell this or pronounce this right, but uh, it looks like Cassidy. Cassidy. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. Um, okay, so first off, I do love the watch because I love this strap color. The strap color is very, very striking to me. I really do love this blue that they did this with. Um, it is a really sharp blue. Now, the only thing that I think bothers me about this watch is that when I saw it online, um, the picture made the screen, the face, the dial look just as blue. And you know, funny enough, I'm trying to show it to you guys right now, and the the actual dial does look just as blue as the band on video, but when you look at it in person, it does not. So it is kind of deceptively photographable, photogenic, I would say. You know, it really does not in person look as sharp blue as it does on film or on camera. Actually, standing here looking at it directly, I can really see the difference. The second hand though does seem to represent the color blue of the strap, but the face itself, the dial, it's kind of a little bit duller. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I really love this watch. I love the way it looks. The only thing that kind of bugs me about it, irks me a little bit about it, but once again, for the price, I can't complain. I think this thing was like $15. But the gears, there's no gears that actually move on this watch. They're all static gears, but they're at least they're not painted on. They're different levels of material, so each gear is kind of stepped in a different direction. But I would have rather have had some movable gears in there to kind of sharpen it up a little bit. But other than that, it is a really striking looking watch. It's a very sporty looking watch that'll probably get a lot of attention. I haven't worn it out yet, but I will, and I'm pretty sure I will get a couple of, comments about it because it's a different looking watch. It does have strikingly good quality. It's water resistant. It doesn't say how deep. It's not a dive watch. So I mean, I'm guessing this is just, you know, you can probably, get it wet while you're washing dishes or, watering the lawn or whatever you're doing. It's probably not going to affect it, but I probably wouldn't go deep sea diving with it or, swimming in the ocean or anything like that. But it does say it is water resistant. Um, and it is, I mean, it's surprisingly great quality. It's kind of along the same quality as these mini focus watches, where they're really really great quality, solid metal. Maybe the Naviforce also. This is kind of similar to the Naviforce. Now that I look at it, it's a little bit different. But let's see if we can get that into focus here. There we go. I mean, it's a little bit different, but once again, it's strikingly sharp. It's got very nice quality to it, and it looks, it really does look great. And, you know, to put it on with this silicone strap, um, it really is a comfortable watch to wear. So, one of the only other things that does bother me about it, and it's not even a big deal, is that they did the face in a chrome stainless, and then they did the handle in a brushed nickel type finish. So I think they probably should have just stuck with one or the other. In this case, I probably would have done the buckle in the chrome as well, because I think well, I don't know. You could have probably gone either way. You could have gone with the case in brushed nickel, or you could have done the buckle in chrome. Either way, I think the blue and the silver really hit this watch off. It's a really, really nice watch. I would definitely consider picking one of these up. I will definitely be putting a link to this in the description below, and I'll also have this posted on my website at davethewatchman.com, so you guys can actually pick one up for yourself. So basically, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over today. Nice watch. It's not an automatic. It's quartz movement. It is a very, very nice watch for a very, very good price. And that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I do have some more watches coming in. I've got a couple of good watches coming in next week. I've actually got a Seiko GMT coming in. That's a little bit more expensive than some of the stuff that I review, but I went and checked one of them. I checked one of these out at a jeweler a couple of weeks ago, and I just really, really loved the watch. I kind of just fell in love with it. It was a Seiko GMT, but you'll have to stay tuned to see that video. I've also got some Aocasdiys coming in. I've got some steel dive coming in. I've got some Casio. I've also got, what else do I have coming in? God, I've got so many. I've got a Boderi coming in. I got a lot. I got a lot of watches coming in, guys. I've got a full shipment coming in within the next couple of days, and then I've got also another one coming in early next week. So I definitely have a lot of watches on the way. So if you do like to see these watch review videos and you want them to keep on coming, please make sure you support the channel by giving that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing if you want to see more watches, because I will be coming at you with more watch review videos. I do watch review videos all the time, and I'm like I said before, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So once again, if you like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video. I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys have a great day.